Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Kia Optima, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the camshaft position sensor. You have up to two fuses, guys, one for the intake, one for the exhaust camshaft position, for the exhaust camshaft, excuse me, and you have two fuses that detect the position of those camshafts, guys. So one fuse controls both of them. If you have problems with car not starting, having problems with camshaft position sensor, check that fuse. Also, we will have a special video that will explain the top 5 things that cause Kia Optima not to start as well. Super important to test the fuses. Always, guys, test them. Even if you're replacing them with new one, we will explain why. Make sure you stand till the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So looking at it, guys, okay, right here, this is the engine. You may even have different engine. The procedure could be very similar. So let's just pull that engine cover up. I'll show you guys where usually you can expect to have the camshaft position sensors. We have a video that explains how to test them. This is on the intake side, and you have the same thing on the back side for the exhaust, guys. So check it out as well. Now, with all that, guys, okay, with all that being said, this is the fuse box that we have right here. We have one notch here, one there. You need to squish, pull straight up, and on the back side you can see the fuse numbers listed, so that's great. But what we did, we actually tried to take a picture so we can zoom it a little bit, and that layout here corresponds to what we have here. So the fuse that we need to check for the camshaft sensor is known as a camshaft, is known as a sensor 3 fuse, guys, right here, 10 fuse. The third fuse, okay, from here, 1, 2, 3, the 10 fuse. Now we will explain, guys, why it's super important, okay, to test that fuse, guys. Now sometimes you may think you have a good fuse when it's really hard to tell if a fuse is good or bad, guys. So we'll recommend to test them, and we have a video that explains how to test them in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Always test your fuses, even if you're replacing them with brand new ones. Sometimes you may have a defective fuse as well. Now, if you want to see how to replace camshaft sensors, guys, okay, we'll have the video on the channel, and we'll have videos how to rebuild the whole engine on that Kia Optima. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.